Today we're going to strip away all the noise and take a hard look at the actual architecture of long-term wealth. I'm talking about that universal desire we all share to build real financial freedom. No hype, no overnight life hacks, just a proven blueprint.
Because honestly, when most people think of wealth today, they picture the absolute anomaly, right? The overnight crypto millionaire, the lottery winner. It's so frustrating because society is completely obsessed with the fast result, the quick profits, the overnight success. We literally see it everywhere. But statistically, that sudden wealth vanishes just as suddenly as it appeared. But real, multi-generational wealth, it operates on a completely different frequency. It is methodical, it is slow. Real wealth is built slowly, using a clear, consistent strategy with absolutely no shortcuts. It's a steady climb, not a lucky rocket ride. Okay, let's dive into this. We're taking the ultimate wealth-building roadmap and chunking it down into 5 highly digestible phases to guide you to true financial growth. Redefining real wealth, building the financial foundation, powering your growth engine, protecting your portfolio, and finally, mastering the long game. Phase 1, redefining real wealth, moving beyond income. This is a massive mindset shift for a lot of folks because earning a ton of money does not automatically make you wealthy. Before we even talk strategy, we have to completely separate your income from your equity. A massive salary? That's just cash flow. True wealth is what you keep and what grows over time. It's your assets, your investments, and your foundational capital. The ultimate goal here is building something that grows entirely independent of your daily labor rather than just endlessly trying to earn more. Phase 2, building the financial foundation, time and money. This is where we lay the essential groundwork using the resources you currently have right now. The foundation relies on 2 things, starting early and controlling your expenses. Look, time is literally your biggest advantage here. It's your ultimate leverage. And managing your expenses, that isn't just about skipping your morning coffee. It's about optimizing what you spend so you can funnel more capital into the market, which radically accelerates your wealth-building timeline. And this brilliantly illustrates the geometric reality of compounding. Notice the massive difference between the short time frame and the long time frame. Because of compounding returns, your capital starts generating its own gravity, pulling in returns on top of returns. So given enough time, even totally modest amounts become highly significant. Moving to Phase 3, powering your growth engine, investing for growth. This is the active growth phase, where your money finally puts on a hard hat and starts actively working for you. Building this engine takes some real discipline through 3 steps. Invest consistently, focus on quality, and reinvest returns. Instead of stressing out trying to perfectly time the market bottoms, which is practically impossible anyway, focusing on consistent monthly contributions builds an ironclad habit and takes all the emotion and pressure right out of your investing. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Let that sink in for a second. I really want this to anchor your entire strategy today. You absolutely do not need some massive, intense liquidity event to get wealthy. You just need to stubbornly refuse to interrupt the compounding process. Now, not all investments are created equal. Quality investments mean strong companies, broad market index funds, and businesses with unshakable long-term demand. Chasing highly volatile, hype-driven assets might be thrilling for a minute, but over time, quality and strong fundamentals are what actually survive and outperform across multiple market cycles. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the massive jump you see in the total growth. That is the sheer magic of reinvesting your returns. By automatically rolling your profits back into the principal, your portfolio reaches escape velocity. It grows faster and faster because you are quite literally earning gains on your previous gains. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. Phase 4, protecting your portfolio, risk and noise. Think of this as the shield phase of our roadmap, where we guard your growing engine against both internal mistakes and external threats. Because a strong offense requires an ironclad defense. Step 1 is avoiding unnecessary risk because, quite frankly, losing money completely slams the brakes on your progress. And step 2, ignore the short-term noise. The markets fluctuate every single day, but reacting to every scary macro headline practically guarantees you're going to make bad, emotionally driven decisions. It's really a tale of 2 mentalities here. High risk absolutely does not always mean high reward. Usually, it just means a much higher chance of experiencing a permanent loss of capital. On the flip side, sustainable growth heavily protects your capital. Keeping your eyes glued to the long-term horizon is what ultimately protects the plan and ensures you survive the short-term bumps. And finally, Phase 5, Mastering the Long Game, Habits and Mindset. We are entering the marathon phase now, and this right here is exactly why most people ultimately fail at building real wealth. Staying patient, keeping learning, staying consistent. These sound profoundly simple, but psychologically, they can be brutal. You have to stay fiercely patient because real wealth takes decades to build. You've got to keep learning to build your confidence, and above all else, sticking to your plan, especially during the really bad times, is what actually creates undeniable results. Because here's the real differentiator. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can hold on to assets when the market is booming. But when a massive correction hits or a bear market drags on for months, continuing to deploy your capital through that fear and resisting the urge to sell is the ultimate stress test of your strategy. That is where true wealth is forged. So let's do a rapid-fire recap of the blueprint. Start early, optimize your cash flow, invest consistently into quality assets, reinvest your returns, protect your downside, ignore the noise, and let time do the heavy lifting. When you apply these super simple principles over time, they form powerful daily habits. There are absolutely no secret formulas here, just compounding mechanics applied with radical consistency. Which leaves me with one vital question for you. Are you focusing on getting rich quickly, or are you focused on getting better and staying consistent? Stop chasing those overnight anomalies. Embrace the math, respect the journey, and choose long-term consistency over overnight intensity.